Let me just lay you the foundation. That is a 110 volt transformer, so as to be identical to your machine, 110 volt AC. And then this is the Amperite timer. I fixed resistor as opposed to a variable resistor, so it will time out to the max timing that you need, about 3 seconds. So I'm going to initiate it just like your machine would do. Start it off. 3 seconds later, it should come on. Yeah, there's a load. So I'll repeat that again. Okay. The timing itself is not an issue. And inside the last stage of the timer, the timing part is slightly different, and the latch, when the time is up, this is normally open, it counts the time up, and then at the end of time it closes it. Normally open, closes it. That's exactly how these timers work. Okay, now and I'm going to trigger this using an external Triac, and the concept of why I'm stating this is that a Triac is what is actually inside the system. That is almost for sure, because if you're controlling AC, it has to be a Triac. So let's say I want to trigger this Triac. I turn on the same thing, but of course now without the timing. Okay, the Triac instantly turns on. What happens inside is time counts the time, and then it triggers to fire the Triac. And what I want to do now is, given your machine and something internally is happening, because at the last firing stage a lot of big surges and spikes and all that is happening there. So for that reason, I kind of think something might be going wrong, and the only way to know is to do something with the best guess. So I am going to add this Triac in parallel to the output. But the way I'm going to do that is like this. I'm going to get the trigger from the output so as to keep it latched. So it won't turn on now because the output is not turned on. So what will happen is that when I trigger this on, so we never had a problem with latching it, but we suspect that it's letting go at the wrong time. So as long as the timing is on, it is not only the internal Triac that is working, you actually have an external Triac also helping it now. So this would be a way. I'm going to tie this Triac somewhere here and then give it to you. That way you will be able to test it out, and if it behaves any better. And just as a plain suspicion, and it is unlike what you guys think, I think with what I see and with all else noted,